Have you ever wondered why English pronunciation can sometimes be confusing? We have only 26 letters in the English alphabet. But do you know how many sounds we commonly learn in English? 44 sounds. Yes, 26 letters, but 44 basic speech sounds. How is that possible? What are these sounds? What are vowels and consonants? And what are monophthongs and diphthongs? Today, we are going to understand all these basic concepts step by step using this simple chart. So, let's begin. First, look at the heading. Phonetics. What is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of speech sounds. In simple words, phonetics is the study of the sounds that we produce when we speak. It helps us understand the sounds of spoken language and how those sounds are pronounced. So, the easiest meaning to understand and remember is phonetics is equal study of speech sounds. Now, let's move to the next part of the chart. Alphabet 26 letters. Here it is written alphabet 26 letters. The English alphabet has 26 letters. These letters are from A to Z. Okay. Now these 26 letters are divided into groups. Those groups are vowels and consonants. So, what are vowels? How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. What are they? They are A, E, I, O, U. So, 5 vowel letters. Now look at the next point in the chart. It says 20 vowel sounds. This is very important. We have only 5 vowel letters, but we commonly learn 20 vowel sounds. So, don't confuse vowel letters with vowel sounds. 5 vowel letters, that is 20 vowel sounds. Okay. So, now these 20 vowel sounds are divided into how many types? 2 types. Okay. They are monophthongs and diphthongs. So, let's understand the first term, monophthongs. This word may look difficult, but its meaning is easy. Mono means what? Mono means one. A monophthong is a single steady vowel sound. It is often called a pure vowel sound because the sound remains relatively steady while it is pronounced. There are 12 monophthongs. So, remember, mono means one. Monophthong means one steady vowel sound. Now come to diphthongs. Diphthongs, the word di means two. Okay. A diphthong is a gliding vowel sound. While pronouncing a diphthong, the sound moves or glides from one vowel position toward another within the same syllable. So, unlike a monophthong which is relatively steady, a diphthong contains a movement or glide. There are 8 diphthongs. So, remember, D means 2. Diphthong means a gliding vowel sound, and therefore 12 monophthongs plus 8 diphthongs is equal how many vowel sounds? 20 vowel sounds. Okay, now come to consonants. So, in consonants, there are 21 letters. Out of the 26 letters of the English alphabet, there are 21 consonant letters. Okay, but these 21 consonant letters represent 24 consonant sounds. This is another important point to remember. 21 consonant letters, but it has 24 consonant sounds. Okay, so now let's calculate the total number of sounds. We have 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. So 20 plus 24 is equal how many sounds? 44 sounds. 20 plus 24 is equal 44 sounds. Therefore, this is the main idea of our entire chart. So, therefore, there are 44 basic speech sounds. Okay. So, now let's understand the whole chart. Let's revise the complete chart from the beginning. English alphabet. In English alphabet, how many letters? 26 letters. How many vowels? 5 vowels. And how many consonants? 21 consonants. Okay, but when we talk about sounds, 20 vowel sounds plus 24 consonant sounds is equal to total how many sounds? 44 sounds. And the 20 vowel sounds are divided into 12 monophthongs plus 8 diphthongs and 20 vowel sounds. So, the complete calculation is 12 monophthongs plus 8 diphthongs is equal 20 vowel sounds, and 20 vowel sounds plus 24 consonant sounds is equal to how many sounds? 44 sounds. So, now let's remember the important numbers. Alphabet 26 letters, vowels 5 vowel letters, consonants 21 consonant letters, vowel sounds 20, consonant sounds 24, total sounds 44, and monophthongs 12, diphthongs 8, and 12 plus 8 is equal 20, 20 plus 24 is equal 44. Total is 44. So, what have we learned today? We learned that phonetics is the study of speech sounds. The English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. Okay, these include 5 vowels and 21 consonants. In terms of sounds, we commonly learn 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Together, they make 44 basic speech sounds. and the 20 vowel sounds are divided into 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Remember the easiest way. Mono means 1, monophthong. Di means 2, diphthong. But remember, a diphthong is not simply 2 separate sounds. It is one syllabic vowel sound that glides from one vowel position toward another. In the next lesson, we will learn another part. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English pronunciation. So, thank you very much. Bye bye. Namaste. Take care.